Why is TH such a nightmare for English learners? Because it's not one sound, it's two. First, the voiceless TH. Put your tongue lightly between your teeth. Now blow air. No vibration, right? Words like think, Thursday, cloth, and breath all have voiceless TH. Second, the voice TH, th. Same tongue position, but this time your throat vibrates. Doesn't it? Yes, it does. Words like this, that, clothe, and breathe all have voice TH. Want to feel it? Put your hand on your throat. Say, think. No buzz. Now say, this. Buzz. Exactly. That's the difference. The most common mistake. Learners say this instead of this, or think instead of think. But with practice, you'll sound natural. Follow me for more pronunciation tips, or join my sound masterclasses to master every tricky sound in English. Thank you.